collateral damage from the storm. Big old sweet gum. Broke the fence. I'm sure this is done. It was the best fig tree. It had figs all over it. No, Freddie. Get back up here. Get over on this side, dude. Get. You have to come right back. Lord. Killed my fig. Broke the fence. Even broke my dinner bell station. Gate. Part of the raised beds, which I ain't been much of a farmer, gardener, homesteader this year, but still, it's a big tree. I'm sure there's more, but that's the only one in the yard. Peace. Come on, Fred. I can't even cut it off yet. Come here. There. Peace.